So, Robert, there's some people out there listening right now saying, great, wonderful, Tom. We live in Central Florida. We got parents that are out of state. They might be going in a nursing home soon. What should we do? Well, I think the answer is quite simple. Number one, they should move the parents to Florida into a skilled nursing facility very near them, just like so that we said that they can start visiting with mom and dad on a regular basis when they're in a skilled nursing facility. But they might say, well, God, can they qualify for Medicaid if we move them here tomorrow? Can they qualify for Medicaid the next day?
And the answer is absolutely yes. There is no residency requirement. The residency requirement is just simply this: step foot into Florida, make your intent to stay in Florida, and you are a Florida resident. And to take advantage of the great Medicaid system that we actually have here in Florida compared to other states. We have a lot of elderly people, a lot of elder law lobbyists that give us a lot of Medicaid compliant tools to protect assets that other states just don't have.
So what we're really saying is that Medicaid is a combination of both state and federal law. What's true here in Florida is not necessarily true in other states where mom and dad might live, so move them to Florida because as far as Florida is concerned, we've got some very generous Medicaid laws here in Florida.
We do. Actually, I've got a client right now in transition from Pennsylvania to here, and they're private paying in Pennsylvania, and they're moving their dad from Pennsylvania to their daughter here in Orlando. And once they come here, they're then transitioning to the skilled nursing facility on Medicaid.
So, folks, we have lines open. We're taking any and all legal questions. We'd love to answer your question about skilled nursing facilities and Medicaid. If you're concerned about protecting your own wealth or want to talk about protecting your parents' wealth from the cost of a nursing home. But we're taking any and all calls about buying and selling real estate, wills, probate, avoiding probate, living trust, divorce, child support, alimony, criminal defense, and DUIs, bankruptcy corporations, LLCs. It's all available to you right now by phone, 407-916-5400, or by text 23680. If you're sitting there thinking, should I call or should I not? Yeah, you should call. That's the way it works. You've got a legal question. We're going to try and answer it for you right now.
1 minute.
407-916-5400. Now, if this topic is of interest to you, we have a booklet. We've got a couple of booklets that apply to this situation. One is How to Protect Your Life Savings from the Cost of a Nursing Home. The other booklet is How to Get Free In-Home Care for Seniors. If you'd like to get those booklets, you can call the Olsen Law Group anytime at 407-423-5561 or go through our website, olsenlawgroup.com.